Welcome to Investomania, brother.
Are you looking to cash in on the legalization of marijuana? If so, you'll need to pick a public cannabis-related company. My personal favorite is Canopy Growth, which just about a year ago was a small spec stock, but boy, has it run up relatively quickly, and now we have about a $10 billion market cap, so now we're in the mid-cap range. Bordering on large cap. I mean, you can consider it large cap if you want. I'm still calling it a mid-cap company. Now, I know some of you will be saying, hey, why not invest in one of the smaller marijuana companies? If we're looking for growth, why go with such a large marijuana company? And it's simple. I already consider Canopy Growth to be speculative enough. The marijuana industry is still in a complex legal situation in the US. It's still, for the time being, illegal in Canada. Although, of course, the reason why the stock has ran up so much, among many other marijuana stocks, is due to the fact that Canada will be legalizing recreational marijuana that's nationwide next month in October. However, there are an awful lot of assumptions about how much demand there will be, how much competition there will be, and how quickly the industry will be able to scale, as well as the legality issues going forward in the United States. With so many industry-specific issues at hand, I say why complicate things further by going with a small spec company? Guys, this is already a speculative play, even when you're going with a larger, more established marijuana company. Now, you are going to have to pay up for Canopy Growth, but you're going to have to pay up for all of the relevant marijuana stocks. They're all trading at nosebleed valuations, which makes sense due to the tremendous buzz, no pun intended, and potential around this industry. And if you want to avoid an investment in this industry for that reason, I completely support that. This is not for everybody. These are all speculative investments, even with this larger company. But if I'm going to pay up, if I am going to invest, I want to invest in the company that's more likely actually going to end up with a strong business. Again, that's going to be Canopy Growth, more likely than not. This is in large part due to the 38% ownership stake by alcoholic beverage giant Constellation Brands. That's ticker symbol STZ. If you are unfamiliar, those are the guys who own brands like Corona, Modelo, and Pacifico. Constellation Brands has further warrants that could take their stake to over 50% of the company, and I want that. I think that's a good thing. I want these guys, this established player, to have some control and some pull. You don't want to invest in these little startup companies you've never heard of in an industry that's already speculative. With the expert management and extensive experience of Constellation Brands at their disposal, in my opinion, Canopy Growth is the best and definitely the least risky stock in this group of already high-risk stocks.
That's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.